Good morning, children. Today we will start a new topic, Sea World, on page 10. Take your pencil in your hand and open your book. Be ready. Today you will write the names of the sea animals in the blanks given in page 10 and 11. Say in page 11, in the clue box, some words are given. From here, you will have to choose and write the names. Before that, you should know about the sea animals. So listen carefully and then write the names in the gaps. So let us start. Write classwork and today's date. Number 1. I make myself inedible by swelling into a ball many times my size. Inedible means that you cannot eat. Swelling means to make the body larger than the normal size. Heed my warning. Heed means pay attention to my warning, for I have enough poison to kill 30 people. So what this sea animal is telling us? That it makes its body larger than the normal size so that it cannot be eaten up by anybody, and it has lots of poison in it that can kill 30 people. So what is the answer? Puffer fish. Puffer. Puffer. Fish. Fish. Puffer. Puffer. Fish. Fish. Number 2. I am a fish that looks like a horse. My skin is thin and I have no scales. I live in shallow, warm water. So what is the meaning of scales? Have you seen fish scales? Scale is a thin plate or hard material to cover the body. So what is this sea animal telling? That I am a fish that looks like a horse. It looks like a horse and its skin is thin without scale. And it lives in shallow warm water. Shallow means not so deep. So what is the answer? Seahorse. Number 3. I am a very simple animal with no internal organs. I filter food particles from the water. Who am I? What is the meaning of filter? To remove unwanted things. So this sea animal is a simple animal with no internal organs. It removes food particles from the water. What is the answer? Krill. 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 Number 4. I look like a star and move with the help of my arms. I feed on shelled animals such as clams and oysters. Who am I? So what is this sea animal telling us? It looks like a star and it moves with the help of its arms. It feeds on shelled animals such as clams and oysters. What is the answer? Starfish. So in page 10, what we can see? Let us revise. Number 1. The pufferfish swells its body in a larger size and it has enough poison in it that can kill 30 people. So it cannot be eaten up by anybody. Next one is seahorse. It looks like a horse. Its skin is thin and without scales. It lives in shallow, warm water. Number 3, krill. It's a very simple animal with no internal organs. It filters food particles from the water. Starfish. It looks like a star and moves with the help of its arms. It feeds on swelled animals such as clams and oysters. Now children, come to page 11. Number 5. I look like a flower and I am named after one, but I am related to coral and jellyfish. I feed on fish and other small sea creatures. Who am I? So what is this sea animal telling? That it looks like a flower and is named also after a flower, but it is related to coral and jellyfish. It feeds on fish and other small sea creatures. What is the answer? Sea anemone. SEACANEMONE. Anemone. Sea anemone. Number 6. I am a common sight in the Earth's ocean. That means it can be commonly seen in the oceans. My body is about 95% water, and though I have no brain, I have somehow been smart enough to survive. Survive means to continue to live. To survive for over 500 million years. Who am I? The answer is jellyfish. So, what you came to know about jellyfish? That it's a common sight in the Earth's ocean. It can be seen commonly in the Earth's ocean. Its body is about 95% water and it has no brain. It is surviving for over 500 million years. So the answer is jellyfish. Jelly, jelly, Fish, fish. Jelly, jelly, Fish, fish, jellyfish. Come to 7. I am a marine invertebrate that lives in colonies. I feed mostly on algae that sometimes on fish and form huge reefs. Who am I? The meaning of marine is connected to the sea. An invertebrate means I am a marine invertebrate. Marine means connected to the sea. Invertebrate means without backbone. And colonies means to live together in a group. So what this is telling us? That it is a sea animal without backbone and they live in groups. They feed mostly on algae. Algae is a seaweed. It is an useless wild plant. The name is algae. So they feed mostly on algae, but sometimes on fish and form large reefs. Reefs means a long line of rocks near the surface of the sea. So the answer is coral polyps. C-O-R-A-L, coral. P-O-L-Y-P-S, polyps. Coral polyps. C-O-R-A-L, coral. P-O-L-Y-P-S, polyps. Coral polyps. So from page 11, what we are getting? The sea anemone. It looks like a flower and is also named after a flower. It is related to coral and jellyfish. It lives on fish and other small sea creatures. Number 6, jellyfish. It is commonly seen in oceans. Its body is about 95% water and it has no brain and it is surviving over 500 million years. Number 7, coral polyps. It is a sea animal without backbone that lives in groups. It feeds mostly on algae, that is a seaweed, but sometimes on fish and form huge reefs. So children, from page 10 and page 11, you got these 7 names: pufferfish, seahorse, krill, starfish, sea anemone, jellyfish, coral polyps. Have you written the names in your book? Today's classwork was this, to write the names in the book. Learn the spellings very well. And these 2 pages. Learn very well. In the next class, we will do classwork in the copy. Be ready with your copy. Till then, bye-bye.